Hey guys, welcome to another video tutorial. I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day. And what I'm going to explain to you guys in this video is how you can create a Lidl account so that you can use the Lidl Plus app and use all the coupons that you have and browse any other offers you might have in the stores near you. So let's get right into it. So when you actually go into the application, you will see a big blue button or a piece of blue text which tells you to either sign in or create an account to actually use your coupons. And once you click it, you will be taken to this screen. Now, when you are actually here, if you don't have an account, you just click on create a Lidl account and enter your first name and last name. Let me just enter some random strings of letters. And after that, click next. Here you need to enter your email address, and I'll enter this one, which is just for tutorial purposes. After that, you enter your date of month, let's say 27th of June, 1995. Enter your date of birth, of course. This is the address fields. These are completely optional, so you don't have to enter that. Here you have your phone number, and once you enter your phone number, that will be pretty much it. You will be sent a email confirmation, or a confirmation link. When you click it, your account should be activated. You might also be sent a code through which you will log in on your mobile phone that you enter here. And once you do, and once you register and activate your account, you will be able to completely use the Lidl Plus app for all your coupons, shopping lists, and any catalogs that might be currently active. And that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you learned something new, and I'll see you guys in another video.